Hello everyone, welcome back to Ascene Beauty. If you're new here, we welcome you. My name is Ehiyage. My channel is Ascene Beauty. And today we are doing an ombre look. I'm not really a Halloween type person. This is probably the extent to where I go. But today, since I decided to have on a green outfit and then wanting to record today, I focused on that to determine what colors I chose to perform and create this look. So today I'm doing a walkthrough on how to achieve this lipstick. Okay. I hope you enjoy. Please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Do you need a moment? All right, you got it, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. This has been one of my requested videos because it's something that I love to do when applying my makeup application. So, and that is the ombre lip. It's nothing new, but I think I may be one of the few people that actually wears it as a look versus just doing it, versus just doing it just to show the art of it. Like, I actually wear an ombre lip to work. But that's neither here or there. And being that I'm wearing a green sweater today, what we're going to do is an ombre look to complement the sweater and hat and my whole outfit, because I'm about to dip out. So let's just go on and get into it. Of course, you guys know I preach this all the time. Prep your look for greatness. And what I mean by that is make sure you're prepping your skin, make sure you're taking care of your skin, the healthier skin, staying hydrated, and using a lip primer. So this is the lip primer by MAC. It's Prep and Prime Lip. And if they discontinue this product, I feel like, you know, these cosmetic brands are pretty good. And I know it's all about supply and demand. I get it. But always start out with a lip primer when doing any type of lip, even if it's a lip gloss. I don't care what type of look you're going for, because it's a transparent application. So it's not going to take away from your look. Actually, it promotes the health of your lips. And, you know, it has the SPF in there. Let me see. I hope I'm not making that part up. But it's all about keeping the hydration of your lips. Right? Right. Okay. And like I said, I'm using lipstick colors that's complementing or going with the green effect. This is almost like a St. Patrick's Day, whatever reason to wear green. They say very intelligent people wear green. Anywho, so going in with ColourPop, this is a Dr. M. Dr. M, and I'm using all matte lipsticks. I'll probably will top it with a transparent or a clear lip gloss, but I'm using all matte. I'm using all matte lipsticks, M-A-T-T-E. And I like to go from the outer corner and work my way in. It kind of gives a 3D effect when we go from the darker shade to the lighter shade. And let me just do this because I'm kind of changing up my look. I'm applying a little highlighter to my Cupid's bow. That's so you guys know. If you don't know, I say it like you've known me for a very long time, and some of you have. So I like to apply some highlighter to my Cupid bow area because I feel like it complements the look. Okay, voila. So we'll let that do what it does. And going in with Mr. Dr. M by ColourPop. This is a real light, or my words are all over the place today. I don't know why. But bear with me, por favor. Hey, hit that bilingual on you. Okay, so there's no true, we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm starting on the corners of my lips with the darkest shade. And I just like to fill it in even in the crease. And I just bring that 1/4 of the way in, top and bottom. On both sides. And it's okay if you bring it in more than enough because everything's gonna blend pretty well. So you don't have to beat yourself up about it. Now, although I'm talking to you right now, I'm actually waiting for it to dry down a little bit because I don't want it to mud. I don't want the colors to all just blend into one another. I really want the effect of it to be ombre. So we're just letting the matte lipstick do what it does, which is dry down dry or set dry. And our next color we're using is Peacock. How ironic. But this is Peacock and this is by LimeCrime. And you know, some of these products may be discontinued, but this is the thing with me. I love matte lipsticks. I love a good matte. I love those uncommon, unusual colors when it comes to makeup. And meaning eyeshadows, lipsticks, blush. You know, I like a little bizarre in my life. And the one thing I do to express myself is with my lipstick and my eyelashes. You know, those are the two areas you can most definitely find me going a bit extreme. All right, so we didn't have to wait too long. It doesn't take forever, but we're going in with the Peacock. This is also a matte. All the lipsticks are matte, and this is by LimeCrime. And I'm just bringing it in a little further. Now, let me go ahead and put this disclosure out there. It is best to use a clean doe foot. The doe foot being the tip of the lipstick, the foot of it. It is best to use a clean doe foot every time you dip in your product. It is best practice. But for educational purposes and getting straight to the point and more so just showing you the outcome of this look, we're gonna go ahead and use my own product that I only use on myself for this purpose. So I'm just overlaying Dr. M. And following the shape of my lip. And just bringing it in closer. Peacock is like a bluish green. So you can already see, like, you know, the transition from the green to the blue green Peacock. Love it, love it, love it. Now, there are brands that are daring or are brave enough to Get those different unique colors out there, and I'm using some of them now. ColourPop, LimeCrime, and you guys love to hate Jeffree Starr. And this is our final color that we're going in. This is Jeffree Starr. This is Venus Flytrap. And once again, these are all matte lipsticks. So now that our Peacock has dried down a little bit, we're going in with the Venus Flytrap by Jeffree Starr and just putting it in the remaining area of our lips and still following the shape of our lip. So I would say, what is the trick, Ahiyage? I would say the trick is to allow your makeup to do what the makeup is expected to do. Allow it to perform, okay? So with still following the shape of our lip, we're just going to complete the look. And I just stayed focused in the center part of my lips. That's where I put the most product. And now I'm just naturally blending it in. And like I said, you can always use like a brush to blend it. You could use your fingers to tap in the blend, or you could just press your lips together continuously, which is my preference. And when it comes to that center color, that final color, the lightest color of the shade, I do apply more than the other colors because that tends to kind of balance out the complete look of that. It balances out the look. So like I said, you could use a lip gloss, lip glass, or just a lip hydration. As long as it doesn't have any color. I'm using Bite. This is Agave. The name of the it's called an intense lip mask, but it's just, you know, something to make sure your lips stay hydrated. And it's by Bite. I love this stuff because it has honey in it. So I'm putting very little on my fingertip. I mean, barely any. And I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. And this will just add a little gloss to my lipstick. And if you ever come across a situation where you need to kind of clean up your look a little bit, like you didn't line your lips too well, which I feel like is what I'm experiencing right now, I have not applied any more concealer than what was already on here from completing my face. So I'm taking this concealer and just cleaning up my lip shape. Just to sharpen it a little bit. And it's perfectly fine to do this with any, as long as you got like the darkest, like say the pinks. You could do it with, start with the red, then start with like a magenta, Start with the red, the deepest red, like a deep red, like a blood red at the inner corners of your lips. I will go in with like a magenta as the secondary color. And then I'll go in with like a blush pink or a light shade of pink on the center. And that will most definitely give you the same effect of an ombre look. Now we just pretty much blended each color into one another. That gives us this completed look. Hey, so I hope you've enjoyed the outcome of this look. It was quick and easy and simple. It took really if I did not have to do a literal walkthrough, it will probably take all but 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It doesn't take too much time to complete an ombre look. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I look forward to doing it again and again because it's one of my favorite steps when doing my makeup. But we wanted to go extreme today so we could show you guys how it's actually done. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. I love feedback. And don't forget to share. You know, maybe somebody else is trying to reach into their creative bag. All right, you guys. Talk to you soon.